Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Wooden craft pieces have long been celebrated for their beauty, durability, and versatility, making them an excellent choice for modern home decor. As individuals increasingly seek to create personalized and meaningful living spaces, wooden crafts offer unique advantages that go beyond mere aesthetics. The benefits of incorporating wooden craft pieces into home decor are numerous and multifaceted, ranging from sustainability and craftsmanship to emotional connection and style. One of the most significant advantages of using wooden craft pieces in home decor is their sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests. This aligns with contemporary values of environmental consciousness and sustainability. By choosing wooden crafts over synthetic materials, homeowners can make eco-friendly choices that contribute to the health of the planet. Many artisans prioritize sustainable practices, using reclaimed wood or sourcing from certified forests, ensuring that their products have minimal environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability resonates deeply with consumers who are increasingly aware of the ecological footprint of their purchases. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of pallet wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to make for profit as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The craftsmanship involved in wooden crafts is another compelling benefit. Many wooden pieces are handcrafted by skilled artisans who pour their time, energy, and expertise into each creation. This level of craftsmanship often results in unique and intricate designs that reflect a high degree of artistry. Unlike mass-produced items, wooden crafts carry a sense of individuality and character, making them stand out in any decor. The attention to detail in handcrafted wooden pieces can evoke a sense of pride, knowing that each item has been thoughtfully made. This connection to craftsmanship elevates the decor, adding layers of meaning and depth to the home environment. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wooden craft pieces can enhance the emotional atmosphere of a space. Wood has a natural warmth and texture that can create a cozy and inviting ambience. The tactile quality of wood invites touch, fostering a sense of comfort and familiarity. In modern homes, where sleek, minimalist designs can sometimes feel cold or impersonal, wooden crafts introduce a sense of warmth and organic connection. This emotional resonance can contribute to a feeling of well-being, making spaces feel more lived in and welcoming. Wooden craft pieces also allow for personalization and expression in home decor. They can be tailored to fit individual tastes, preferences, and styles. From rustic and traditional to contemporary and minimalist, wooden crafts can be crafted in various styles, ensuring that they complement the overall design of a home. Homeowners can choose pieces that reflect their personalities, interests, and experiences, creating environments that feel authentic and true to themselves. This level of personalization fosters a deeper connection between the occupants and their living spaces, enhancing the overall experience of home. The versatility of wooden crafts is another significant benefit. These pieces can serve multiple functions, often combining beauty with practicality. A wooden bowl can serve as both a decorative item and a functional piece for everyday use, while a carved wooden sculpture can add visual interest to a shelf or table. This adaptability makes wooden crafts suitable for various areas in the home, from living rooms and kitchens to bedrooms and entryways. In smaller spaces, where maximizing utility is essential, wooden crafts can offer solutions that are both space-saving and visually appealing. In terms of aesthetic versatility, wooden crafts can seamlessly blend with different decor styles. Whether a home leans towards bohemian, Scandinavian, industrial, or traditional aesthetics, wooden pieces can enhance the overall look without clashing. The natural colors and textures of wood can harmonize beautifully with a wide range of materials, including textiles, metals, and ceramics. This versatility makes wooden crafts an excellent choice for those who enjoy mixing and matching styles, allowing for creative and eclectic home decor. The durability of wooden craft pieces further enhances their appeal in modern home decor. Well-crafted wooden items can withstand the rigors of daily life, making them a practical choice for families and individuals alike. Unlike fragile decor made from glass or plastic, wooden crafts tend to be more resilient, able to endure bumps, drops, and general wear and tear. This durability ensures that wooden pieces remain beautiful and functional for years, making them a wise investment for any home. Moreover, wooden crafts can serve as conversation starters and focal points within a space. Unique or artistically designed wooden pieces can draw attention and spark interest, encouraging guests to engage and inquire about their origins or stories. This aspect of wooden crafts can help create a sense of community and connection, as sharing the narrative behind a piece can foster conversations and deepen relationships. The stories associated with handcrafted wooden items can add emotional depth to a home, transforming mere decor into cherished artifacts that carry personal significance. Another benefit of wooden craft pieces is their ability to adapt to changing trends. While some decor items may fall out of favor, wooden crafts tend to maintain their timeless appeal. The natural beauty of wood has a way of transcending fleeting trends, allowing these pieces to remain relevant and stylish over the years. As homeowners update their decor or shift their design preferences, wooden crafts can be easily integrated into new styles, ensuring that they continue to add value to living spaces. Additionally, wooden crafts can enhance the overall sensory experience of a home. The warmth of wood, combined with its unique grain patterns and textures, can create a rich and engaging environment. The presence of natural materials can evoke feelings of calm and relaxation, contributing to the overall atmosphere of the space. In contrast to synthetic materials, which may feel cold or sterile, wood invites a sense of harmony and balance, promoting well-being and tranquility. The emotional connection that many people have with wood cannot be overstated. Wooden crafts often evoke nostalgia and sentimentality, reminding individuals of cherished memories or family traditions. A handcrafted wooden toy may evoke memories of childhood, while a carved wooden ornament may symbolize a special occasion. These emotional ties can transform wooden crafts into more than just decor. They become meaningful artifacts that enrich the living experience. This connection to the past enhances the overall ambience of the home, creating a sense of continuity and belonging. In modern home decor, the trend toward minimalism and decluttering has also influenced the appreciation for wooden craft pieces. As individuals seek to create clean, open spaces, the inclusion of thoughtfully designed wooden items can add warmth and character without overwhelming the environment. Wooden crafts can serve as focal points or accents, contributing to a balanced and harmonious aesthetic. Their ability to blend beauty with functionality aligns perfectly with the principles of minimalism, allowing homeowners to curate spaces that feel both serene and inviting. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked palette wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to make for profit as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.